Okay guys, welcome once again. You have these in your fridge, and as you can see, they are weathering off. They are just getting damaged. Okay, so what we're going to do to make it available in your kitchen all the time, the method we're going to use is just going to need you to spend about 2 minutes of your time, and then you're done. You need a regular container. It's just something small. It could be this size, it could be this size, anything that you can put a medium planting medium in. So we make our regular hole for our water to be able to drain out if need be. That is what I'm doing right now. Yes, I told you this is not something that I'm going to struggle with. I just need my planting medium. Yes, planting medium. I'll add some later, and then as many as you want. Yes, but always for you to have some fresh ones, always cut off. You can even cut it off totally. Yes, cut off totally, and then let it go in there. Don't worry about the roots. Don't worry about the roots. It's not the ideal way, but you will still have your greens available for you to enjoy all the time. All the time. I'm not saying you can't plant these out there. You can, but you can have this sitting at the window of your kitchen, and you would always have your greens growing. So this is it. All I need to do is to water, and that's all. We are good to go, but we all still need this as our base to prevent the water from dripping out. So in the end, you have this. This was done 2 days ago. 2 days ago. So you can even cut these and use them in your salad, whatever you're preparing, in your sandwich, you can use it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe so you can always enjoy my videos by clicking the notification bell, the bell right by the subscription. Yes.